Changing your cabin air filter is a simple routine job on most vehicles and usually only takes a few minutes to complete. But do you know why it's essential to do it? The cabin is where you and your passengers sit, so the cabin air filter helps keep your cabin or your interior free from dust, pollen, and common pollutants, even bugs. The filter can also help prevent mold from growing in the ventilation system. Think of it like the filter in your heating and air conditioning system at home. It works pretty much the same way. Check out this used cabin air filter. See how dirty it is? You don't want to be breathing that stuff in. If you notice the fan isn't blowing as hard, or maybe you notice some odd smells, then it might be time to change out that cabin air filter. It's a good idea to inspect it during an oil change, so think of it as regular maintenance. Swapping in a new filter is a quick job that you can do to help you breathe easier. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the cabin air filter every 15 to 30,000 miles, but you should change it more often if you frequently drive in dusty areas or are prone to allergies. You can find the right cabin air filter for your vehicle at AutoZone. And check out this quick video on how to replace it. Find more helpful how-tos on our YouTube channel and be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.